afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The song that you just heard is a traditional Irish lullaby known as Éiníní, and it is the song from which we take our name. We are Éiníní. My name is Fergus Namegra. My lovely companion is Winifred the Minstrel. We are very fond of the little birds. We have them on our clothes.
Yes, the birds go tweet, 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 tweet.
Yes, they do. We're going to sing for you several songs from throughout the world and throughout time. And being as fond of birds as we are, we're going to sing a number of bird songs. If you can tell us at the end of our show how many songs we sang that have birds in them, we have a special prize for you as a reward for being very attentive listeners. So
it has a bird on it.
It does have a bird on it, yes. But, so, we've heard one bird song so far. If you can count how many other birds you hear in our set, then we will give you a token.